I'm gonna get the pipe over here and compare, because I almost believe that this is a little bit too small. I don't want to have to do this, but look at that. So that and that, they're just a little bit too small. I'm gonna try it first and see if I, do a little boring with it, if it'll work. All right, now I gotta go do a couple of measurements. See where things land at. It's like tape measure in the car. It's doing really good so far. So I need to plan accordingly for. It's gonna be tight in a hole. It'll be tight. Might have to angle it in there